In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause your Shopify store. Now, you might be wondering if there's a straightforward way to pause your store entirely. Well, while Shopify doesn't have a direct pause option, there is an effective workaround that can achieve the same result. By enabling password protection, you can temporarily restrict access to your store, effectively putting it on pause for any visitors or potential customers. Let's dive into the details of how you can do this. First, you want to navigate to your Shopify admin panel. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for the option labeled Online Store and give it a click. This will open up a drop-down menu with several items relating to your store's front-end display and features. Once you're in the Online Store section, the next step is to select Preferences from the drop-down menu. This area allows you to modify settings related to how your store appears and operates online. Within the Preferences section, you'll find an option to enable password protection. This is where you can lock your store for other users. Turning on password protection is simple. You just need to toggle the option here. Once it's enabled, you'll be prompted to add a password. This password is crucial, as it will be the key that controls who can access your store while it's in password-protected mode. It's also a good idea to write a message for those trying to access your site. This message can explain why your store is temporarily inaccessible, whether you're on vacation, conducting maintenance, or preparing for a big launch. A clear and friendly message not only informs but also reassures your customers that your store will be back up soon. After you've set a password and crafted your message, the last step is also the simplest. Just click Save to apply your changes. Once saved, your store is effectively paused. All visitors will see the password page, and only those with the password you provided can enter. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be able to pause your Shopify store without losing any of your settings or data. It's a temporary measure, but a very effective one for when you need to limit access to your site. So whether you're taking a break or just need some time to work on your store behind the scenes, password protection is a handy tool to have in your Shopify toolkit. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your store with ease.